Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening and verifying your Degiro account. Provide ID and proof of address so you can trade. Next, link your bank and initiate a SEPA transfer or supported funding method. Transfers may take 1-3 business days, so plan accordingly. Once funds arrive, set your trading profile and risk preferences and enable two-factor authentication to protect the account. These steps let you move from setup to execution confidently. They ensure compliance, liquidity, and basic security before you place orders. With cash available, search the ticker or company name and confirm the correct exchange and currency to avoid accidental purchases. Then prepare your order. Decide between market for immediate fills or limit to control price, and set quantity, time in force, and any stop instructions. Before you hit buy, review Degiro fees, foreign exchange conversion rates, and whether you accidentally selected margin or borrowing. Making these choices deliberately reduces slippage, cost surprises, and unintended leverage. So double-check. After submitting, confirm execution in the orders or trade log and watch the new position appear in your portfolio. This gives you certainty about fills and average price. Once you own shares, set price alerts, stop loss or take profit limits, and schedule periodic reviews to manage risk and rebalance. Active monitoring prevents surprises. If something goes wrong, unfilled orders, missing funds, or unexpected fees, first check funding status and order history. Then contact Degiro support with screenshots to resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.